Hi, I'm Eric Hewko. Thank you for visiting my webpage concerning nursing home abuse. There's nothing more endearing to us than taking care of our older population, especially family. These individuals have been the backbone of this country and our families for decades. At the golden years of their lives, they should be there enjoying it and receiving good care. We shouldn't have to watch over the shoulders of aides or nurses or doctors at these facilities. But for those of you who have had loved ones at these homes and facilities, unfortunately, that's the case. How many times has your loved one pushed the alarm for a nurse or an aide to help them get to the bathroom, use a bedpan where it goes unheated, and they try to get up and they fall, they break something, have a head injury? How many of you out there have had loved ones who have sat stationary, motionless, not physically able to move themselves, and be subject to very debilitating bed sores that require surgery and are tough to control because no one's checking on them? It's an absolute shame. It's a crisis in our country. Medicaid and Medicare actually did a study, and very shockingly and surprisingly found out that 91% of the homes that are registered out there had staffing problems. For any of us who have had our parents or loved ones in these type of homes or facilities, you know what I'm talking about. There never seems to be enough hands on deck to take care of our loved ones. For the for-profit nursing homes out there and assisted living facilities, they're making purely a business decision. So do the not-for-profits. But we see it more of the for-profits. And what happens is they cut labor costs, which means your family member doesn't get the care they should deserve. For all of us that have had loved ones at these homes and facilities, or currently are experiencing it, you know that's not uncommon. And you know what? It might not even be fair to the nurses and aides there because they're just trying to do their best. And they know more than anybody they need more hands on deck. But it's just the corporations that are involved, cutting the labor to the detriment of our parents, aunts, and uncles, husbands and wives, people we care for. There are special statutes in the state of Florida that must be followed when bringing these claims, because the nursing homes and assisted living facilities are governed by Florida statutes, laws, to protect your loved one. So if you suspect that your loved one has been seriously injured or subjected to bad care that's resulted in a serious injury, please call us. We're here to talk to, we're here to help, to answer your questions, and if necessary, bring action to get your loved one the fair and just compensation they deserve for the lack of care that they were given in their golden years. Best way to do that is to call me, Eric, at 1-800-BigELaw. You also can fill out the free evaluation form to the right of this screen. We'll get back to you as soon as possible. Right below that is a free downloadable injury guide, which will give you some general information. But the best way to get a response as to whether you have a case, whether your loved one can be protected, is to give me a call at 1-800-BigELaw. We look forward to your call.